Hi there again, everyone. This is your guy Affinity 8 back with another world weather and events update. System moving into UK in the next 24 hours, and will affect parts of Western Europe, Denmark, Norway and Sweden after that in the next 48 hours. Quite a strong system, very high winds, 91 knots. Not a lot of snow for UK, only in the northern areas after it comes through. So that's 24 hours there into 48, moving into Norway and Sweden. I'll just show the so this is 24 hours time. Yeah, snow up near Glasgow, northern areas. But yeah, very strong winds, even while sitting over the top of UK. Where is the wind? Yeah, it's still 88 knots there. Quite a vigorous system. After 48 hours, moving into Norway and Sweden. Quite a bit of snowfall. Up there for you guys. Finland. Such a large low pressure system that's drawing moisture all the way through Western Europe. Germany, Poland. This will be a rapid cool down. And then after this one comes through, there is another one or two systems, and they drop lower. So the next system will be 3 days. So like 72 hours. Oh. So 3 days from now, this next one will be moving into UK, and you can see it just drops down slightly lower than the last one, affecting more southwestern parts of Europe, Portugal, Spain, France. This one not quite so windy, but some stormy conditions for Portugal and Spain as well. As you can see there, quite a bit of thunderstorm activity. So that's 27th into the 28th. And then moving into Mediterranean areas. It's like 4 or 5 days from now. 28th into the 29th, affecting northern Italy, France, Austria. Stormy conditions, snow for northern parts there. '28th, 29th, and then moving further east. Into the 30th. So yeah, 3 days from now, extra large low pressure system will be affecting UK. Sorry, my cat's going crazy. UK and southwestern parts of Europe and the Mediterranean as well, from the 27th to the 29th. But moving into the UK, 27th, 28th, and then moving into Norway and Sweden, 29th. And then another low pressure system comes in underneath that, affecting once again Portugal, Spain, France. Very noisy. So yeah, 29th into the 30th. That one sits lower than the UK and affects Portugal, Spain, France, and more southern areas of the Mediterranean as well. So southern Italy, Malta, Greece, into the 30th. Yeah, that comes right through the Mediterranean, that one. So a rapid cool down for Europe and Mediterranean and UK, although it's probably already been cold in the UK. And then it doesn't actually clear until the start of February by the looks of things. So even the end of January, still got snow in the north of the UK. Doesn't actually clear until the 2nd. Wow, look at the size of that low pressure system there, moving towards Iceland. So this is the start of February. But they're starting to head further north and they're not dropping down. Still affecting Norway and Sweden. But yeah, clearing up for the UK and most of the Mediterranean by February 2nd and 3rd. There's still quite a bit of wind, as you can see, around the ocean, Mediterranean there. But mostly dry over the land, no more snow. no major hurricanes or typhoons or anything to talk about. We did have that Category 1, I think it reached a Category 2 cyclone that went past top of Western Australia and came down past Perth. That's moving into the southern Indian Ocean, and that will clear in the next day or two. So yeah, big systems moving in the next 24 to 48 hours, especially this first one with the strong winds. That's coming straight across there. Very strong winds there. I won't be surprised if flights are cancelled for those that 48 hours. Moving into Norway and Sweden there. Lots of snow for those areas. And then this second front moving in 3 days' time from now, into the 27th, and affecting a lot of southwestern Europe, as well as northern parts, Norway and Sweden still getting snow there, but as far down as Portugal and Spain. And then that moving through 28th into the 29th, Mediterranean areas, bringing snow and storms there. So that's 27th, stormy in Portugal, Spain. And then 29th, into the 29th, sorry. Still low pressure sitting over UK and bringing storms and snow to northern Italy, Switzerland, France, Austria, all those mountainous areas there. Clearing by the 30th. But not fully clearing until not fully clearing for the UK until early February. Because there's still that one that comes through on the 31st, is it? Yeah. 31st. So the next week and a half, gonna be very cold and windy for Northern Europe. Wow, look at that one in Iceland. That's on the 1st. A lot of snow there for Iceland. Start of February. And look at those winds, wow. So that's 1st into the 2nd. This one will be just grazing northern parts of the UK. But yeah, still affecting Norway and Sweden there. These are some big low pressure systems. Fortunately, by then they're just moving northwards into Iceland and not going east into Europe as much. Give you an idea of the size of some of these. Look at them. I'll check the wave maps quickly. Yeah, wow, look at that. 12.3 meter seas, so some really high seas. I haven't seen seas like this in quite a while. Luckily they're moving straight north, like northeast direction. I'll just check those ones that move into the UK area. So yeah, quite high seas, 8 meters, 9 meters off of Norway. Yeah, going to be quite difficult for boating and planes, like travel wise. I wouldn't be surprised if the next 2-3 days a lot of flights cancelled and ships will be avoiding that area or those areas. 8 meters to 10 meters is very dangerous. Nine meters. Even this one that moves further south. Wow. 12.2 meters. That's heading towards Ireland on the 27th. That's crazy. And even France, 9 meters. Wow. So yeah, extremely large low pressure systems. They got a lot of wind behind them for the next week. And they're coming straight across from like Canada. Can't get over the seas for that Iceland. Where is it? First into the second. 13 meters. Wow. Start of February bringing some big weather to Iceland. 13.6 meters. Wow. So yeah, I thought I'd better share that with you guys because you've probably got better news reporting than what I can show you, but I just thought I'd do a rundown on basically the whole of Europe. And these low pressure systems there's what, 3 or 4 of them, and they're affecting quite a large part of Europe. So I thought I'd just post on that now because it's going to be the next 24 hours they start coming in, so at least you guys have a bit of warning there. Next 24 hours, even there 12 meter seas off of Ireland. My cat says hello to everyone. Hope you all stay safe out there in the next few weeks as winter moves through the northern hemisphere. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.